Fan replacement, Tina2 Plus. 1. Remove the assembly cover. Carefully pry off the outer cover of the assembly. You may use tools for this, but be aware that some damage may occur, which is acceptable. 2. Remove the self-wrap fabric. Cut off the 5 ties on the self-wrap fabric. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the fastener, and then remove the entire self-wrap fabric. Three. Remove the old fan. Locate the fan wires. Disconnect the fan plug, and then remove the entire fan. 4. Install the new fan. Replace the old fan with a new one. Organize all the wires neatly, and close the cover. 5. Reconnect the fan plug. Plug the fan connector back into its original position. 6. Rewrap the self-wrap fabric. Use the self-wrap fabric to cover all the wires. And place it back in its original position. And screw the fastener. Take out the cable tie and secure the wire back to its original position. After replacing the fan, click on the load filament to test if the fan operates correctly.